The cotton sector directly or indirectly generates more than 40% of rural employment and provides for nearly 50% of the population. Cotton plant disease is a condition that affects the growth, health, and productivity of cotton plants. There are many pathogens that can cause these diseases, including bacteria, fungi, viruses, and nematodes. This can result in reduced yields, lower quality cotton fibers, wilting, yellowing, leaf rolling, stunting, and reduced growth. The cotton industry is valued at around $40 billion annually and employs around 100 million people globally. Cotton plant diseases damage rural economies worldwide according to a UN report. According to the International Cotton Advisory Committee (ICAC), cotton plant disease can have a severe economic impact on farmers globally, leading to yield losses of up to 50% and control measures accounting for up to 20% of production costs. Using image analysis machine learning models, such as deep learning, can achieve an accuracy rate of up to 99% in identifying cotton plant diseases. Identifying cotton plant diseases can be challenging due to the many different types of diseases and similar symptoms, but machine learning models, such as deep learning, can achieve an accuracy rate of up to 99% in identifying cotton plant diseases. AITC engineers have developed a low-code platform with templates to detect cotton disease using AI computer vision techniques and machine learning algorithms. This involves training a model on a dataset of images of different types of cotton leaves and then using this model to classify new images of cotton leaf objects. The model can be trained using various techniques such as convolutional neural network (CNNs) or transfer learning with pre-trained deep learning models with an accuracy of over 90%. The deep learning model is easily created by collecting pictures and cotton leaves and plants in a dataset on a TinyML platform like cAInvas with pre-processing that includes normalization and augmentation, and training the model resulting in an accurate model that is compiled with DeepC. Resulting application is ported to a TinyML device connected with a camera that is mobile enough to run on batteries and with no internet connection in remote areas like farming, so you can easily carry it in your pocket to identify the cotton plant disease yourself or help farming neighbors. Cotton plant diseases can result in significant yield losses of up to 50%, and control measures can account for up to 20% of production costs, making accurate and efficient identification of the disease crucial to minimize the financial impact on farmers. AITC engineers have found that image classification solutions created with TinyML platform like cAInvas to be highly effective in identifying cotton plant diseases, with studies reporting accuracy rates of up to 99%. One study published in the journal Frontiers in Plant Science found that using deep learning models for cotton disease identification can achieve an accuracy of 99%. Following URLs are referred to in this video. Check the description for the links. Contact us.